We've all been there, buried under an avalanche of tasks, drowning in emails, and constantly feeling like we're behind. The quest for the perfect productivity tool becomes an obsession. Enter ClickUp, the project management platform promising to be your one-stop shop for organization. But with the recent addition of ClickUp AI, is it finally the key to unlocking ultimate productivity? Or is it just another shiny object destined to gather digital dust? Let's face it, traditional project management tools can be cumbersome. Endless lists, feature overload, and the constant struggle to keep everything in sync. ClickUp, however, boasts a flexible interface that caters to individual preferences and team workflows. Think dragging and dropping tasks, setting dependencies, and collaborating seamlessly with colleagues. It's a project manager's dream come true on paper. But what if you could streamline things even further? That's where ClickUp AI swoops in, promising to be your personal productivity superhero. Imagine an AI assistant that anticipates your needs, automates repetitive tasks, and even helps you write better emails. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, ClickUp AI aims to bridge that gap. So let's delve deeper. ClickUp AI boasts a whole arsenal of features designed to make your life easier. We're talking automatic task creation from emails, smart summaries of lengthy documents, and AI-powered writing suggestions. Need a quick rundown of that monster report your colleague just sent? ClickUp AI can summarize it in seconds, highlighting key points and action items. Stuck staring at a blank email draft? Let the AI assistant suggest relevant phrases and help you craft a clear, concise message. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? While the features sound impressive, there are some things to consider. AI is still under development, and ClickUp AI is no exception. There can be occasional hiccups in its understanding of natural language. You might find the AI-generated suggestions a bit off the mark sometimes, requiring some refinement. Another factor to weigh is cost. ClickUp offers a free forever plan, but to unlock the full potential of ClickUp AI, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The price point might be worth it for some, but for others, the additional cost might be a deal breaker, especially if the AI features don't quite live up to the hype. Here's the truth. ClickUp AI is a powerful tool with a lot to offer. But like any tool, its effectiveness depends on your specific needs and workflow. If you're constantly bogged down by repetitive tasks, ClickUp AI's automation capabilities can be a game changer. If you struggle with crafting clear and concise communication, the AI writing assistant can be a valuable asset. However, if you're already comfortable with your current system and find AI a bit intrusive, ClickUp's core features might be sufficient. Ultimately, the decision of whether ClickUp AI is worth it is up to you. Take advantage of the free trial, experiment with the features, and see if it makes a tangible difference in your productivity. Remember, the best tool is the one that empowers you to get things done, not the one that adds another layer of complexity. So, is ClickUp AI the magic bullet for productivity? Not quite, but it's a powerful tool with the potential to significantly enhance your workflow. Just be sure to weigh the costs and benefits before diving in. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.